key membership test in a dictionary. All right. So let us take which dictionary? Let us take n underscore odd first. Let us take n underscore odd first. And now key membership test in a dictionary is what? Let us say this is a key 3 in n underscore odd. It will give what? True. That means 3 key is present in n underscore odd. Now if I write 1, true, 5 in n underscore odd, true. Now if it is key member, now if I write a value, let's say 343. Alright, it will be what? It will be 343 in n underscore odd, false. Why? Because it is a value and we are talking about what? Key membership test. If I write anything, let's say 16 in n, false, false. So whatever key are present, it will show it as true. Let us take another key. Let us take another key, which is, let us take another dictionary. All right, n underscore even. Let us take 6 in true. Let us take 1000 in false. Let us take DIC, the one which we copied from my dict. Let us take name DIC true. Gender true. So this is what it is. So this is what it is. All right. Very easy, very easy. Key membership test in a dictionary. Very easy.